Oduduwa Republic agitators fearlessly parade their army at the presence of Nigeria Police and Nigeria Army in Lagos State. Hear the news in details. Wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of freedom all over the world, you are welcome once again to this very wonderful moment. There's a video we are going to show you right away. You see how these people are extremely serious, and we are so happy, because we are following everything that is going on in the western part of this very damnable zoological Republic of Nigeria. And we are right here gingering them, because we are ready each and every time. Anytime they need us, we are ready to support them. Anytime, be it in the morning, afternoon, or night, IPOB is ever ready to support Oduduwa Republic in any form. Even if they are under attack, we are going to support them. You will see men trooping in, I can assure you. Even in Lagos, we are there. We don't even need to send men from eastern part, from Biafra land. No. We will come out from Lagos State. We will come out from Ibadan. We will come out from Ogun State. That is how we roll. We are everywhere. We are legion. Yes, in case you don't know, we are legion. Biafrans are many. That is the reason why we are going to support them from their own land. We will support them. That is, our leader has already assured them. We will support them because we are lovers of freedom. So, the video you are going to watch now, I'm very certain if you are a lover of freedom, even if you are not from Oduduwa Nation or you are not from Biafra land, if you are a lover of freedom, if you are someone who loves to see people smile, who want to see people free, who hate injustice, who do not want to see people under captivity, or you don't want to hear that name, which is called slavery. Once you come across this very video, you are going to enjoy it, and you will not hesitate to share the video because it's something good. Oduduwa brethren, my Oduduwa brethren, parade their own army, fully kitted, hefty men, at the presence of Nigeria Police. If we look at Nigeria, if you see the way they are looking like people who are hungry, people who that's why they beg 20 naira every day. They beg 20 naira, they beg 15 naira, they beg one. They shot somebody in Aba because of 100 naira. A keke driver man, a keke Marua driver, shot him dead because of he failed to give them 100 naira. That is to show you how hungry they are. That is to show you how angry. They say a hungry man is an angry man. A hungry man is an angry man, and he can kill because of it. He can do anything unthinkable because he's hungry. So you see Olokpa, Nigeria Olokpa policeman, the way they look like, they look like fools. They are hungry. They look like somebody that is the ordinary breeze is flying them away. Let me show you the video. I don't want to do a lot of analysis. You watch the video, at least you can be happy for what is happening in Oduduwa Nation. The way they are coming up, the way they have defeated that very word called fear. Because I'm sure, even in 90s, in 60s, they also want to be free. Awolowo wanted to be free. That is what he agreed with Ojukwu. He wanted freedom. But because of fear, that very word called fear, that is what kept him and his people in Nigeria up to today. But I'm very happy because of this very latest generation of Oduduwas. This very latest generation, they have defeated that very word that is called fear. And we have defeated it very, very long time ago. And we are happy now that we have a great ally from Yoruba land, that we can fight together and make sure we are free from this very damnable contraption that we call Nigeria. Watch the video, share the video, and just be happy.
Àwọn mi bọ̀ yìí o yàrá yàrá yìí àbórí ìta yìí ẹ ṣùgbọ́n mi náà ẹnu ìyá ẹ̀ kan Yorùbá ló sọ àwọn òfò àpárá ẹnìbọdì àbórí ìta yìí àwọn kàkẹ́ àwọn lọ ṣe mí wèrè o àwọn ṣe mí wèrè o àdídọ́lọ́ta Yorùbá ní sọ̀rọ̀ àdídọ́lọ́ta àwọn ìṣọ̀mọ́ sars àdídọ́lọ́ta ẹ bá yín ìbọn kò ní dú àwọn òbí rẹ àwọn ìṣọ̀mọ́ sars o abẹ́jà wèrè àwọn sars lè pa àwọn ìṣọ̀mọ́ sars Yorùbá ní sọ ó gbọ́ ọ̀lẹ́ bí wèrè kí lè fa ọ̀sán náà tí wọ́n lè nà àbọ̀dí ọ̀lẹ́ yìí Yorùbá ní sọ ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ tiwa fún ọ̀lẹ́ ẹ fún ọ̀lẹ́ Yorùbá ní sọ àtọ́ àwọn òfò ọ̀pọ̀ ìjà ni o
Did you understand anything on that video? Did you try to grab something? Olokpa Nigeria police trying to stop those hefty giant men, those giant security officers of Oduduwa Republic, that ordinary Nigeria police who could not even feed, who cannot even eat. What are they doing in that junction? Under the bridge, what are they doing there? Collecting 20 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira. If you give them 200 naira, you see them raising their hands up like fools, which they are, idiots. That's why they are dying in the hands of unknown angels. You see them jumping up for giving them 200. That is to show you they are hungry. That is to show you that the system is not working. It has never worked and it can never ever work, no matter who comes on board. Ask them how much is their salary every month. Ask the Nigeria police, including the army, how much is their salary per month. And then go to other countries. You don't even need to go to ask Google how much is the salary of the police and army in other countries, both in Europe, even in some countries in Africa. Google will show you the salary of the police and army in other countries. Because, sometimes I wonder, what is these idiots that parade themselves as our leaders, our governments, what are they doing? Security is the number one priority of every government in the world. That is the gospel truth. The number one priority, security. Securing lives and property of your country, of your state, is the number one priority of every government. Go and make research. That is the reason why you must, as a matter of urgency, you must provide the highest, in fact, the best means of, keeping your security operatives very, very healthy. Very, very healthy. You must find a means, no matter what it costs. You must find a means to provide for them, to make them live a healthy life and a happy life, to do a better job without bribe, without corruption. That's why you see European police and the army, they are not corrupt. They don't take bribe. How do you think they will catch somebody who has already committed crime? The law must take its course. No matter how much you try, even for you to try to bribe them at the point of that arrest is another case for you. Is another case for you. Not even because of camera, not because of CCTV, no. It's because of how they are being trained. They have been trained that every crime must go through judiciary process and the law must take its course. You are not supposed to, to bury that matter at the point of that incident. No, at the point of that incident, you are not supposed to collect money to bury that case there, because that same person will go to another place and commit the same crime. That is the reason why insecurity is ravaging the country that you call Nigeria. Nega area. That is the reason. You see the fools that claim to be police officers trying to stop those hefty men when they know inside themselves that these people have not committed any crime. Security, since you cannot give my people security, let us mobilize ourselves and secure our land. Fulani is everywhere ravaging the land, and you want us to fold our hands and watch. That is the reason why we are fighting every day and night here in Biafra land. They don't want Eastern Security Network to stand. But we have already, ESN has come to stay, for your information, and we are heavily armed. Any place we catch you, you want to fight us, we are going to bring you down. I'm telling Nigeria Army and the useless and corrupt, highly corrupt Nigeria police. I'm talking to you fools. If you try to fight us, we are going to fight you back. And thank God today, Oduduwa Republic has risen. Thank you.